Hello and welcome. Today we are playing Señorita. First we need A minor. And my ukulele might sound a little different to yours because this is low G, but still the shapes are all the same. So A minor, then C, F, and G. We can throw in an E minor, so I'll teach you that version as well. In this tutorial, we will do a strumming version and a picking version, which I think is much more interesting. Okay, so let's just get the rhythm in our hands. I love it when you call me Señorita. Wish I could pretend I didn't need you. Every kiss is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you could be running to you. Okay, so what we're doing there is 8 beats of A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. And that's where we have 4 of E minor, 4 of G. And you can do the island strum. That's the strum that I'm doing. It's down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. And then you start the whole cycle again and again and again and again throughout the entire song. Now, if you're looking to spice this up with a chuck is just this like. Let's practice that together. I'm going to slow it way down. Basically what I'm doing is I'm gliding down and I'm twisting the hand to stop the strings. It's almost like if I was talking and I just went out. That's what I'm doing to, that hurt. That's what I'm doing to the ukulele. I'm just stopping the strings. So it's down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck. Let's just do down, chuck for 8 times. Ready, go. Down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck. Switch to C. Switch to F, F. E minor. Ah, sorry. G. And let that G ring. I love it when you call me Señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, you keep me right. Oh, no 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 no. I guess I could continue. You could continue the chuck on G. And now let's try a slightly more advanced strum with chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Just stay on A minor. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. Okay, now let's switch to C. Ready, go. Chuck, up, chuck, up. Stay there for a bit. Switch to F. Down. Let's just play through one of the choruses together. Choose your style. You can do down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck. If the chuck is giving you a hard time, then do it down, stop, down, stop, down, stop, down, stop, down, stop, up, stop, up, down, stop, up. You can definitely find a way that works for you. Find that, but I would like to encourage you to work up to this. You a lot later on to have that mastered. Okay, get ready, get ready, get ready. I love it when you call me Señorita. Wish I could pretend I didn't need you. Every touch is la la la. It's la la la. Oh, I could be running. Oh, you the version that I did on my Instagram was slightly different chords. So we had an A minor, C major 7, F major 7, I believe that's what that is, and E minor 7, and G. So let me play that once for you. If you can play along, play along. If not, then just watch. 1, 2, 3, and... So if you don't want to strum it, or if you don't want to strum it all, I am doing this pattern. It definitely helps if you have nails, but you don't need nails for this. So what I'm doing is thumb, index, middle, and ring together. And each finger has a string they're assigned to. And it's thumb, index, and then these two together, and back to index. And back to thumb. So it's kind of like I'm going down the stairs and back up. Let's try that part. Ready, go. Just this part. Okay, again. Ready, go. Just that part. Ready, go. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. And the last part of that pick is this. So the middle and the ring, thumb, middle, ring. So together it sounds like this. Again. Switching to the next chord, don't stop that pattern even if your finger hasn't made it over to the next chord yet. If you keep the pattern going, it will sound like you are landing the chords all of the time. It's kind of like faking it. So let's try it together. We will do A minor and then switch to C. Just those two. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try that again, and this time we'll add F. 1, 2, ready, go. C, F, now this next switch is going to be a little tough because you're not necessarily strumming. So we're going to go from F to E minor. And so something that you can do while you're switching so the ukulele doesn't fall on you is that when you're switching from F to E minor, one, you have this hand helping you keep the ukulele there, or you have a strap, and two is you can use the bed of your finger, of your index finger, you can use that to kind of help you slide if you need it. What's another way we could do it? I mean, you definitely want to keep the thumb in the same place. It might pivot a little bit, but it's staying in the same place. So keeping the thumb there. Yeah, that's going to be a tricky switch. So don't be hard on yourself if you don't get it right away. Let's switch from F to E minor, because that one's going to need some work. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. E minor. Now let's do F, E minor, and G. Those chords are together. It's gonna be a little difficult, but we can do this. 1, 2, ready, go. E minor, G, and then we repeat the whole cycle. And I messed up, I played index finger instead of thumb, and that's okay. It's not okay because I did it. I mean, it's okay if you mess up. Let's try to do the whole cycle. 1. If this is too hard for you, by the way, you can practice your strumming while we're doing this. Okay, 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. E minor, G, A minor, F, I messed that up. And you know what? I'm gonna leave this mistake in there. I'm not gonna edit it out to show you. It's not a perfect process. Like this whole music thing, it takes practice and it's not always perfect. And I want you to be easy on yourself. So I don't want you stressing out about it. But anyway, I think this sounds really beautiful. It's a unique way to make the ukulele sound different. And this one has a low G. If you don't have a ukulele with low G, I recommend you get the low G string set and add that to your collection if you have more than one ukulele. This just gives a little bit of depth to the sound, in my opinion. And if you're interested in this ukulele or any of the ukuleles that I ever play in tutorials, I play ukuleles that I would recommend to the audience, ukuleles that I think sound good and that I think are a good deal. So I'll always have the links to those down below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, give this a thumbs up, or leave a comment down below or something so that I know that you're around and that you enjoyed it. And of course, if you would like the printable, you can pick that up. The link is down below as well. Alrighty, see you in the next one. Sayonara!